Oh.
God damn it. Why?
But they never really understand it. I need a comment like I need a granny. She makes the flow with her designer panties. Yeah, we eating plenty, check the pantry. From the sound waves to the rebel lines. From the tattered bridges to expensive dishes. Now we eating ends with these new beginnings. Yet the sign a major for the bankroll. But thank the Lord that it dies in penitentiary. Nice guy, but my inside is empty.
What are you doing?
Driving.
No, the steering wheel's on the other side, buddy. Are you gonna go on the right side?
No, I just wanted to go with partner. I'm gonna go sit in this one.
That's not the launch edition.
New sounds that make a face.
All right, fam, what's up? So we got Lucian, the beautiful Santiago, back with us again. Well, you got gloves on, bro. You got gloves on.
COVID, dude.
He's got his clothes on. Oh, here, grab this. Grab. Oh. Yeah, we're good. That's like 6.5 feet, so we're fine there. Give it back. Ah.
You're having difficulty, kid.
There we go. All right, so anyway, amidst all this coronavirus BS, you guys, I just wanted to give you guys some like vlog style content. We're gonna look at some cool cars and trucks, and right now we got the honcho. So we're gonna let Lucian explain the honcho to you.
Okay, so right here, you see this is America, okay? Nothing says America. Full economy bad boys are gonna give you about 6 miles to the gallon. You bet your sweet ass bottom dollar that it will. These rims right here, this beadlock seal, I don't know what you're gonna do with those in North Dakota, but I guess this looks cool, huh?
Is it fake?
I don't know. But beadlock on these rims though, all right? Honcho, you see this orange paint job? I don't wanna open it because, I don't know, but it's a big Jeep truck.
I think you'd contract the little dick syndrome.
You probably could. There's a lot of it. We got these sweet fold down step side things that I'm not real savvy with it, but America redneck stuff. In the back here, we got more Jeeps. We got tow hooks so you can pull a tree stump out of your backyard because you're not gonna pull anything out of the mud over here.
You can pull lots of.
Oh! I'm not gonna say that. America, we got Pulse in here. All right, I'm gonna be real with you. It's actually kind of a good deal, despite what you might heard. If you think about it, humans are genetically trained to keep their eyes out for flashing lights and pull over for emergency vehicles, and this reduces up to 75% of rear end collisions.
Yeah, but what if I contract epilepsy?
Well, then I guess it's party time.
Wait, does this have a V8?
Yeah, it does.
Does it actually?
No, I have no idea.
Here, should have had a V8. What do you got there, buddy?
I got a V8 and it's massive.
Oh, sorry, man. I pulled that out of the trash can, by the way. All right, guys. So Lucian's got his V8. You got the gloves on. I'm ready. Ah!
I thought about
But
it.
amidst all this social distancing crap, you guys, we're just trying to lift morale, lift a little bit of spirits here, you guys, because it's getting to be bullshit. I mean, it really sucks. Take it seriously, be safe. Obviously, we got our tape measure, so I'm making sure that we are at least 6 feet apart. But anyway, you guys, this is just going to be kind of a vlog. I wanted to compile a bunch of stuff together and hopefully lift your spirits, make you laugh a little bit. As always, if you enjoy this video, make sure you hit that like button, hit the bell so you're notified every time we upload a video when you subscribe to the channel. Seriously, whoever designed these stupid things needs to go to hell. All right, you guys, so like I said, this is just going to try to be a little uplifting, a little cinematic. We're gonna get you guys, your minds off of this coronavirus BS. And someday, you guys, we're at 519 subscribers. When we get to a point where I can actually just do this, which is what I'm super passionate about in cars and motorsports, this school bus right here reminded me that my goal is to make a school bus like this into an RV. We're gonna travel the country, go to all sorts of different car events. So let's just go around town and let's find some cool cars and some interesting things to vlog about.
Nothing ever comes to me, yeah, in a steady stream. But you gotta keep on going. You gotta live that dream. I know I ain't supposed to feel it, but oh, how it feels. Nothing ever comes to me, yeah, in a steady stream.
Okay guys, this next one we gotta be kind of quick because I don't know if I'm necessarily supposed to be next to it, but we're gonna show you one of my dream cars. Like I said, I'm just trying to get our mind off all this stuff, you guys. The sun is shining, it's a beautiful evening out, and we're gonna make this one really quick and see if I can show you and give you a little history lesson on one of my dream cars. Let's go. All right, you guys, 3000 GT VR4. This thing was so ahead of its time, it's insane. And I've been eyeing this one for a long time, but it's been here for about 10 years. The guy probably wants way too much for it. There's grass growing inside of the car, but these things were factory all-wheel drive, twin turbo, active aero, all-wheel steering, and active exhaust. So it's probably an electrical nightmare, but these things have such a cool following. If you don't know anything about these, they are super underrated cars. Granted, right now I have enough to focus on with the A32 Maxima and the Fox body, but this is a car, you guys, that I would love to own one day. These things are absolutely amazing. My buddy Matt, shout out to him, Boosted Automotive Detailing. If you are in the Tucson, Arizona area, you should definitely go check him out. He had a Stealth RT, which is this car's sister, and that thing was absolutely amazing. Unfortunately, when he moved to Arizona, he actually got totaled and the car is gone, but he ended up getting $12,000 for that car in insurance, and these things are just beautiful. This is a first generation, which was the most complicated one, and this one came with a 5-speed, but they're just amazing cars. So let's get out of here before we get in trouble. Guys, my shoes are soaked. I just ran through a ditch to go to the wrecking yard where that thing sits. And you know, I think that guy's asking way too much for most of those cars, honestly, because I haven't seen one get sold or move ever. I've been here for 2 years now and I've never seen a car move out of that lot. And one of my buddies that was big into DSMs and stuff like that back in the day said that that 3000 GT has been sitting there for like 10 to 12 years. So he probably wants gold for it. And honestly, if you know anything about 3000 GTs, they had enough issues as it was. So I'm sure that thing's an absolute nightmare. Mice have been in there. Like I said, there's actually grass growing inside of that car. So if you look at the interior, which I've done a couple times, there's grass inside of it growing and mold and mildew. So I'm sure it's just a complete mess. There's actually a couple SLs there too, which are base model front wheel drive versions. But yeah, so you guys, I don't know, this whole Corona thing, it's really, I've taken a direct hit. I had to close my small business. If you saw the last video, you know that. And of course, I work on commission at a shop and it's gotten really slow. So I took a giant hit. I'm not gonna be able to buy anything for our projects until this stuff picks back up. I can open up my gym, I start making better hours at work again. It's gonna be tough for a little while, you guys, but it's gonna be okay. Get out there, drive around, do something. That's the great part about being a car guy. You don't necessarily have to be in your garage renting if you can't afford it. Go drive your car. We all love driving, right? So go do that. I did start on one project. Like I said, I can't really be spending any money, so I'm just kind of doing what I can, and the Maxima isn't going to get seriously touched until after the Mustang is done, but I did find a grill that I want, and I'll drop a picture of that right here. From what I know, that grill was completely discontinued. I found a couple like Chinese knockoff versions of it for like $100, and I thought, you know, I could just go out and do it myself. And a lot of times when you get aftermarket stuff like that, it doesn't fit very well. So what would fit better than the stock grill? So I actually took the stock grill and started to cut it apart. I'll put a picture of that right here. And yeah, 10 out of 10 would definitely not recommend. It's a lot of work, and now I kind of got to smooth all those pieces out. The idea was not to spend $100, but to spend like $5, or to use something that I currently have sitting around in the garage. That's kind of the whole idea behind hacking this one up. It's just something to do, you guys. We can't go out to the bar, you can't go out to a restaurant, you're not supposed to hang out with big groups of friends, so I'm just trying to keep myself busy. I hope this little video lifted your spirits just a little bit, you guys. Bear with me because the projects are going to be slow. I have a few things planned, but nothing as per our normal schedule. So I appreciate you guys watching. Again, if you enjoyed the video, please drop a comment down below, subscribe, hit that like button, and hit the bell so you can be notified every time we upload. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.
Penny check the pantry from the sound waves to the rebel lines, from the tattered bridges to expensive dishes. Now we eating ends with these new beginnings. Yet the sign of major for the bankroll.